For those of you that are planning a trip to Iceland in either April or May, aka spring, you might be wondering to yourself, Jeannie, you've made a winter packing video and a summer packing video. What about a spring packing video? Don't worry, friends. That's what we're talking about today. Hello, Team Iceland. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie, and I am here to help you plan the best trip ever to Iceland, including what to pack. Today, I'm going to talk about what you need to pack in your suitcase if you're planning a trip in April or May. That is considered the spring season in Iceland. And although a lot of these items are going to be repeats from my winter packing video, there's definitely other nuggets and gems in there that you're going to need to know. So don't even worry. Your spring packing list covered. So let's get into it. So layering pieces, you're still thinking you need to be really warm. So starting from the base layers, obviously you want to have clothing that's close to your skin and keeping you quite warm. So I really like Cuddle Duds. I think they're perfect for your base layer. It's really nice also if you get a pair that's fleece lined. Extra sweaters for layering with that second layer. My all-time favorite thing is my Loba Pesa. I wear it everywhere because it's so warm. Having extra sweaters is also really helpful for just relaxing maybe at the end of the day or dinners out as well. For your pants, I also wear a pair of fleece lined leggings. Again, this is staying really close to my body, so this is building in so much warmth. These pair are from Under Armour and they are just perfect for layering underneath my jeans or my hiking pants. For Reykjavik, you're gonna want something that's basic but comfortable and a little bit stylish. So I just wear basically a pair of jeans with a cardigan and a scarf. Outerwear pieces are what's going to keep you weatherproof. So let's talk about what you're gonna need. I love these packable down vests or jackets. They're perfect for extra warmth. Of course, you need a weatherproof shell. So you've all seen me wearing my red coat. It's perfect because it's waterproof and it has a hood. Hiking pants are essential. They are the perfect thing for exploring. My pair is wind and water resistant, so it's really good for keeping you protected from the elements. Highly recommend hiking pants. Also, don't forget rain gear, you guys. It's so important to have rain gear for the months of April and May because they are such rainy months. So even though you have the hiking pants or the waterproof shell, rain gear makes it so literally the droplets roll off of your material. So you don't have to worry about getting wet and having that ruin your adventure. For neck protection, I prefer a buff because it keeps my neck warm and it's not too bulky like a scarf. Still getting quite cold, so you might need something warmer as well, like a fleece-lined gaiter. For headwear, you've all seen me wear my headband. I love this for some warmer days or just for a simple hat for basic everyday wear. Maybe having a couple different options as well, just in case one gets wet. For gloves, I do have multiple pairs of gloves, but I prefer the ones that have the touchscreen because it's really nice to handle your camera and your cell phone when you're out exploring. So in terms of footwear, obviously you're gonna need lots and lots of warm socks. My favorite is just a pair of Smart Wool. For shoes, I love my Anu hiking boots. They're the perfect pair for exploring because they have a really nice grip on the bottom and they're water resistant. So in terms of exploring around the waterfalls and hiking around, it's literally the perfect thing. However, I also have a pair of hiking shoes. I wear these a lot as well, especially as it's getting into spring because you don't have to worry about snow as much. And I just love these for kind of bombing around. If we're not doing any serious hiking, this is my go-to shoe. Also, you're gonna wanna bring a pair of flip-flops for in and out of those hot springs. Trust me, this will be such a useful item. All right, for accessories. Obviously, your toiletries and your bathroom bag. You're gonna need a swimsuit for all of those hot springs that you're gonna be exploring. And with that, you're gonna wanna bring a quick dry towel to dry off quickly. Sunglasses, hello. There's a lot of sun in April and May. extra charging for your cell phone because you're going to be taking a lot of photos. And of course, your travel adapter. So this one is my favorite because it has plugs for US, UK, and Europe, plus 2 USB ports for extra charging. Don't forget a window mount for your GoPro or your phone so you can get all of that beautiful road footage. Medicines or prescriptions because you do not want to buy them in Iceland. They're expensive and harder to find. Of course, don't forget all of your camera gear, including a tripod if you want to take those silky waterfall photos. And so importantly, you guys, bring a reusable water bottle because you can drink straight from the tap in Iceland. I promise it's the most delicious water that you've ever tasted. Make sure to bring a day bag to pack all your goodies up for your road trip exploring. And this is what it looks like when you're ready to go. Remember that April and May can still be super cold, but you could also have some nice days as well. So you'd kind of just have to be prepared for all of the seasons. But either way, it's going to be amazing. You are absolutely going to love your spring trip to Iceland. Alrighty, my friends, that is your spring packing list. I hope that helps you feel more confident in what to pack for your spring trip to Iceland. Now, if you want a free copy of the packing list so that you don't forget a thing, all you have to do is head to my website and download it. I put the link in the description below. If you guys found this video helpful, I would really love it if you give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe if you haven't, because remember, I'm here every week to help you plan the best trip ever to Iceland. So I'll see you next week. Happy planning, friends.